Class 10th Mathematics, Chapter number 1, Real Numbers. First of all, we'll recall what are natural numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. 3 dots means the numbers are going on. So let us see the next one which we have learned in our class 9. That is the concept of whole numbers. Whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So if we add one more number 0 in natural numbers, we get whole numbers. Integers. What are integers? They are all the negative numbers of the natural numbers. Say -3, -2, -1 and so on, and the number 0, and all the positive natural numbers 3, 4, 5 and so on. So together if we take the natural numbers and their negatives and the number 0, then they are known as integers. Now what are rational numbers? Rational numbers. Rational numbers. Numbers in the form of p by q. Q is not equal to 0 and PQ are integers. PQ are integers. Such numbers are known as rational numbers. For example, 1 by 2, -3 by 2, 7, 0, 5 by 3. Why 7 is a rational number? Because 7 can be written as 7 by 1. Next, we'll go for irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are numbers which are not rational. Numbers which are not rational. Numbers which are not rational. This we have read in class 9th. For example, √2, square root of √2, square root of √3, minus √7, square root of 13. So they all are irrational numbers. Now, what are real numbers? Real numbers are the numbers, all these numbers, that is the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers together are known as real numbers. So what are real numbers? They are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Now, before we start our concept from class 10th, we'll again recall concept from class 9. What was that? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Let us take some examples to understand this concept. Suppose divide 7 by the number 3. So what we get? 3 to the 6 and the remainder is 1. So remainder is here 1. And we can see that divisor is 3. Divisor equal to 3. So remainder is less than divisor. Similarly, let us take another concept. Suppose let us divide say 19 say with 15. What we are getting? 15 1 is 15, remainder is 4. So here we can see that 4 is less than 15, that is remainder is less than divisor. Now let us take another one more concept. Suppose let us take say 75 divided by 25. So what we get? 25 into 3 75, remainder is 0. So in this case remainder equal to 0 and the divisor is 25, divisor equal to 25. So what we can see again, that the remainder is smaller than divisor. So what do we get? We are getting the again we'll got the concept from class 9th which we have learned. We'll recall that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And we have learned that the remainder is either 0 or remainder is less than divisor. This very concept is known as Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma. So what is Euclid's division lemma? Given two positive integers, A and B such that B is less than A, and when B divides A, the remainder R equal to 0, or R is less than B, that is the divisor. Or we can write the same condition as 0 is less than or equal to R is less than as B. So this is known as Euclid's division lemma. So now we'll work out some questions based on this, that is Euclid's division lemma.